Hello, welcome to Vigilant Online Workshop. This is Suraj Sound. Today's topic would be SQL injection by using some tools. We are going to hack some website database by using SQL injection by attempting SQL injection over there. We are going to use one tool, that is SQL helper. So this is our tool. First, we need some URL where we are going to deploy our attack. First, please do note that don't ever try to attempt this attack on live URLs. We are going to use one URL for demonstration purpose only. So please don't try this out without any proxy. So this is where we are going to put our attack. I know one URL which is vulnerable to SQL injection. I'm going to catch that URL only. See, this is our URL. As we have seen earlier in SQL injection that we are going to put some special characters over there to check whether that link is vulnerable or not. So similarly, I'm going to put one special character over here and I'll check. See, it is not throwing previous result. Right now we are able to see a next result with some error. So this is our vulnerable URL. We copy this URL and we'll put this URL into SQL helper over target. That's it. You just have to focus over here. Just click on inject so that it will try to inject into the database and it will gather some information. Over here you'll be able to see it is check if URL is vulnerable. Yes, it is saying URL is vulnerable. It will take some time to gather some information about the database. Over here you can see this is the version of server, that is Ubuntu. This is the current database name, that is BZU, and SQL Union injection is possible. So we are going to attack on the database by just clicking on get database over here so that it will gather some database over here. See, this is the tool which are retrieving this database lively from the website. By selecting this database, I'll click on get tables so that it will dump all those tables which are present in BZU. Information schema is nothing but it is just showing us that how these tables are interconnected to each other. What's the relation between them? So over here we are going to crack some sensitive information which are present in this users table. That may be username and password. It could be anything. We'll select this and we'll click on get columns so that it will dump some column number. Now we can see username and password are the columns which must be having some sensitive information. We'll select both of these columns and I'll click on dump now. So it will simply start dumping those information. It may take some time. See, the thing is, you should use fast internet connection to retrieve all these records. Over here you can see these are the username and these are the password which are in encrypted format. This is the encryption in which they have used MD5 algorithm so that it couldn't be retrievable. So that's all about SQL injection. Please do note that don't use this live URLs to attempt this attack. Try to use DVWA. That's it. Thank you.